All right, Apple announced today that Arizona was the first state to launch the Apple Wallet program for state IDs and licenses. So now Arizonans can literally today add their state IDs and their licenses. I live in Arizona, so I'm gonna demo this live. Pray to the demo gods that it goes good. But states to follow, we've got Colorado, Hawaii, Mississippi, Ohio, and the territory of Puerto Rico that were recently added. The previous announcement back in September of 2021 announced that Arizona, Connecticut, Georgia, Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Oklahoma, and Utah are all signed up for this. So we're looking at a lot of states coming down the line. And basically, once this is set up, Apple's got a nice little demo here. You're going to be able to just use your earphone or use your iPhone, and it's as simple as that. Or you can use your Apple Watch. If I scroll down here and look at their little video, to check in at select TSA checkpoints at approved states and airports. This is going to be used all over. I mean, I can see this being used in bars, police officers, everybody using this, in the future, because it's just a secure way to hold your state ID or your license. What is needed for this to work is you must have an iPhone 8 or later on iOS 15.4, or you can use your Apple Watch Series 4 or later with watchOS 8.4 or later. All right, and travelers should refer to TSA checkpoint signage, probably near the checkpoint itself, to confirm availability of this. All right, and I'll try to keep you guys updated on when new states have actually implemented this, but those are the states that are signed up and plan on doing this. So hopefully we see that in the near future. Let's do this live demo. Let's pray to the gods. So we're going to open up the Apple Wallet app. We're going to click the plus. And now you're going to see in iOS 15.4 and later a new option on the bottom saying driver's license or state ID. And I want to add this to iPhone and Apple Watch. And I am going to scan the front. All right, confirm front. Looks good. Now I'm going to scan the back. Got it. Additional verification. So I just basically, this is their extra protection, so they're going to have me do my face. So let's click continue. And position your face. All right, I got it. Use a plain background. Oh, well, hopefully this will work. So we're going to go like this. Hold your phone steady. Tilt your head down until your phone vibrates. Okay, it vibrated. Let's try another. Raise your eyebrows. Let's try another. Turn your head to the left. Okay, it vibrated. Movement captured. Next, take a photo of yourself. This photo will be matched with your photo on file with Arizona MVD. So, just gonna snap a photo. Let's retake that. See if we can get this light out of the camera. We'll continue. Send to Arizona MVD. It's got all my information. Continue with Face ID. Then I've got to agree to everything. Sweet, dude. That was slick, man. That was super quick. verification in progress. You will receive a notification from Wallet when there's an update from Arizona MVD. All right, that was it. So now I just have to wait until they approve it, and I'm going to be able to walk into Sky Harbor Airport in Phoenix and use this or my Apple Watch to check in at those TSA checkpoints. That's pretty slick. I'm really happy Apple is using this kind of technology and building this out, because it creates a more secure future for all of us by having security built around our IDs. Nobody can scan it, keep it, right? It's just all digital and secure. That's awesome. Well, you guys go check out one of these other videos. Click on them, whatever. It's all good. You guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.